So when you go to sites.google.com, you should get a page that has this create my sites, deleted sites. If you don't have your own sites, obviously there won't be this list over here. So you might have blank space, or you might have sites if you've already made one. If you have already a Google site from my Spanish class from last year, you may keep that same one and change the name, or you can make a new one. It's kind of up to you. If you make a new one, I would link somewhere on that page to your old site just to show your growth over time. But if you're making a brand new one, which is most of you, just click on create, or you will tap on it, I suppose. So create, you're going to start it with a blank template. You're going to name it. This is very helpful for me if you follow this format. Your first initial, your last name, and then the class that you are in. So I'm just, for pretend, I'm just going to call it A Dickey Spanish 4. So first initial, last name, and the class that you are in. It'll show you what your URL will be right here. You can select a theme. This can be changed later, so don't stress over it. Then put in the code, and then either return or just hit create up here. Okay, so now I have just the homepage of my site. A couple things you can change right away what this says. I'm going to just make mine say hola. You can say, este es mi sitio Google para la clase español de Señora Dickey. Or, you know, you can just have it be hola, soy, and then whatever your name is. Down here, at some point, I'm going to ask that you put in an image. It doesn't have to be a picture of you. In fact, it probably should be something other than a picture of you. It can be a picture of something you're interested in, or a picture from vacation, or something that is representative of you in some way, and then a little description of you. Obviously not personal information, but things like me gusta el basquetbol, me gusta cantar, things like that. But for our purposes now, all you really have to do is hit save. And go stay on this home page and then add a new page. The first one is going to be called blog, and this is where you will later embed your blog from the other blogging website. So for now, you're just going to name it blog, and you need to use the web page template, so leave it on web page. Put it under hola, or in your case, it'll probably say home. Create. Okay, go back to hola, that's important, or home, or about me, or whatever it is, and then new page. This one is going to be called tarea, or you can call it trabajo en clase, or classwork, but name it, and then this one is going to be a file cabinet page, so that's important. File cabinet, put it under your home page, hit create. Go back to home page, add another new page. This one is for your reflections, so I would call it reflexiones, or you can just call it reflections. This one is going to be an announcements page. Put it under the home page, hit create. And you should have homepage, blog, reflections, tarea. You may be adding more things later, but these are the three that I want you to have done for now. You have the basic class Google site ready. You can proceed to decorate and add things or whatever on your homepage if you would like to. And please send me the URL to this. So once it's created, you can just go up here, hit copy, go to your email and send me that URL, and we'll go from there.